Depending upon the height of the obstacle, you can approach it either forwards or backwards. The higher the obstacle, the more difficult it becomes to use the backwards approach. We'll go through both options. Begin by approaching the obstacle, but stop the chair a few inches away so your casters don't hit the obstacle when you pop them. Ensure the casters are in the trailing position before you start. Pop the casters just as we did earlier. You'll need to pop them high enough to just clear the obstacle. Once the casters are on top of the obstacle, shift your weight forwards by leaning ahead and reach back as far as you can on the drive wheels. Push forwards on the push rims, driving the rear wheels up and over the obstacle. This may take considerable effort and a firm grip on the push rims. Momentum can be helpful when pushing the drive wheels up the obstacle. You can get a run up to the obstacle by wheeling backwards a short distance until the casters are close to the edge. The casters will likely spit around in the forward position when you back up. This may be helpful in making the chair more stable by moving the wheels further apart. As you wheel ahead quickly, lean forwards to take weight off the rear wheels. It may take several attempts to get the drive wheels up and over the obstacle. As you become more comfortable and skillful in getting up high obstacles, you can try using the motion approach. The backward approach may work with small and medium-sized obstacles, but is quite difficult if the object is very high. Wheel your chair backwards so you don't make a sudden stop right up to the edge of the obstacle. You may need to flip up or remove the anti-tippers so they don't block the wheels from getting to the edge of the obstacle. Shift your weight forwards by leaning ahead slightly, being careful not to tip the chair. Grip both push rims tightly as far forward as you can and pull back, driving the rear wheels up and over the obstacle. If you can use one or both legs to help, flip up your footrest, place 1 or 2 feet firmly on the floor, and push backwards by straightening your legs. Once the drive wheels are on top of the obstacle, lean back slightly, shifting weight off the casters, and continue pulling on the drive wheels until the casters come up and over the obstacle, being careful not to tip the chair backwards.